you know how a punching press works? In this video, we'll explore the structure of 2580-ton presses and the metal parts they can produce. Most stamping presses operate by using a motor to drive a flywheel for energy storage, which then powers the vertical motion of the slide. In an extremely short time, the upper and lower dies rapidly clamp the metal. The press applies high pressure to the material, causing plastic deformation. This enables a wide range of processes such as shearing, punching, embossing, and bending. Their appearance and models vary depending on the specific application scenarios. The efficient operation of a punching press relies on the close coordination of 5 core components. The servo motor acts as the power source, delivering precise and stable energy. Driven by the motor, the slide moves rapidly up and down, enabling the die to complete each punching action. The clutch and brake system work together to precisely control the start and stop of the slide, ensuring both safety and accuracy during operation. The work table holds the die in place and absorbs the force generated during processing, serving as the machine's main structural support. The feeding system, as a key auxiliary unit outside the punching press itself, can automatically adjust its delivery speed to match the production rhythm, ensuring a stable and efficient supply of raw materials. Working in close coordination, the 5 core systems together build the foundation for the press's high efficiency, precision, and automation capabilities. HLC is equipped with precision stamping machines starting from 25 tons, supporting progressive die processing to achieve multi-station continuous stamping. We are capable of efficiently producing precision components such as heat sinks, contact, springs, contact brackets, and various types of metal clips. With strict control over dimensional stability and batch consistency, we meet the demanding requirements of customers for complex structures and high-precision manufacturing.